What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safe Zone Unicorn Network video. Let's go. Hey guys, how is everyone doing? Well, today I have another updates from our Dragon Global and the Liquid weekly webinar. It's from yesterday. I'm going to leave you the video afterwards. But first of all, guys, we are on the Liquid and on the Empower, actually on the Empower page campaign, where people can start staking their YEM and some other stuff. We have some cool stuff coming up. And also, I have some very cool things to share with you, some very interesting developments before I leave you with the video. Because I've watched part of it, but not completely yet. So just give me a sec here, guys. So I will just go here to my Pernum. And guys, for those of you that don't know, we have the Pernum multi-wallet, which is a multi-function wallet that, as you can see, you can hold in here our YEM. And obviously our YEM is our rainbow currency, the digital currency that it was created here for our Unicorn network. And if you want to learn a little bit more about the YEM, I will leave a video for you to check that out. And a very, very cool development that I just saw, because I was going through the Skype rooms, and in one of those rooms, people were saying that we had some assets that we should have already be seeing them, and they are already here on our assets wallet. So I will just click here, asset wallet, and guys, you will be able to see. So this is if you had any Twinkle gold coins or Twinkle silver coins or Twinkle copper coins. So these are still upcoming: the lithium, the platinum, and the oil Wi-Fi. And as you can see, guys, we already have here on the asset wallet on our Pernum the Unicorn Network token. So this is still the first amount that we should have received on April. Yeah, April exactly. So I had some commissions, so this is added to that. So if I click here, let's see what happens here. So these are the Unicorn Network tokens Rainmaker campaign, and this is with the 250 Unicorn Network tokens. Okay, and let me just check here from April to see what happens here. Let's see, submit. Okay, so this is my initial. Okay, so I have 2,000 Unicorn Network tokens plus my commissions, and so we should be receiving the one from May, and then eventually I believe it's on the middle of this month for this June month already. And we, as Anthony was saying, we had already, for people that had the Liquid token and also the Unicorn Network tokens, the YEM Gold, okay, tokens, guys. And as you can see, I have 192.375 YEM Gold tokens, and it's worth in US dollars $219.31. So, guys, some cool news. I've checked already the Liquid platform, and it's still not there. So I don't know exactly if it's going to be just here on our Pernum wallets, and then we if you want to sell it or whatever, we can send it to the World Equity Expo, or I believe that we also will be able to see these tokens on these assets on the Liquid platform. And guys, obviously here our Pernum multi-wallet, if you want to learn a little bit more, I will also leave a video for you to check that out. And now, guys, I am going to leave you with the Dragon Global, the latest updates from our Liquid platform. And guys, I will be back at the end.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Tuesday webinar, Liquid update. It is June 1st, 2021. Summer is coming fast. We're in the very beginning of June, and obviously, as many of you anticipate, things can slow down during summer. However, in my experience, some of these projects have developed best during the summer months or even during the holidays like Christmas, etc. So many of us work on different projects all the time, and this is a good time to actually see friends and other people than in your usual line of work. So I'm actually looking forward to some of these things setting in during summer. Obviously, markets are slowing down, but same thing there. They actually present. My name is Anthony Norman. I'm the CEO of Dragon Global Finance, and we are the banking and corporate finance partner of Pernum and also operating the Likquid platform. Today we're going to talk about the latest developments on Likquid. As always, I usually start with talking about the listed assets. Today I have quite a lot of news, and I'm pleased to say both last week and this week a lot of things are happening. As you guys know, World Equity Expo is the external trading venue where we have in the last hours even. So the Rainmaker Empower campaign is underway. It's actually been live for a month, but we have made improvements where I feel that we really kick it off now, today. And I'll explain more about that today. Also, the self-listing of assets, which is going to be the major theme this week, I think you're going to find very exciting. That has also been finished now, so it's ready to go live this week. And I'm also pleased to say that we have finished our free allocation of YEM Gold tokens to you guys, both the holders of Likquid, but also Unicorn Network tokens. People got an extra bonus allocation for free, and this happened last week, so congratulations guys. I was actually on the last webinar last Tuesday. I said it was underway, but it took till Wednesday before it was done, but last Wednesday it was all done. Also, I'm going to go deeper into the new trading pairs. We have now finally, and it was a few weeks delayed, switched over to proper euro and US dollar trading in the share trading platform, which I'll present to you today. And I believe I did actually tell you guys about some of the new wallet features that we are working on. So it'll take a little while, but I'm very excited about this. I want to talk about this for a little while. The wallet is actually going to be one of the first, or the first, green cryptocurrency wallet. As you guys know, cryptocurrency, even just holding it whenever you make a transaction, it is being verified by mining itself. That is how mining becomes profitable. Now, and that in turn generates fees. Now, the problem with this is it takes a huge amount of power to drive these miners. And what we are doing now, implementing, and this is not about technology so much as us changing the routines, we are actually doing a carbon offset of the transactional costs of our wallet. So I believe in a very short time we will be able to say that this wallet is actually the only one in the world which is green, which is completely carbon neutral. I have not found a cryptocurrency wallet that is that yet. That's going to be a huge advantage for YEM and Pernum. Also, at the same point, we will be implementing a rolling minimum US dollar guarantee on the wallet deposits, like we did during the Liquid Asset Management campaign, but now in a rolling format. So, on the back office side, we've had quite a lot of movement last week. This morning even, we released a new version of World Equity Expo 2.1.7. Lots of usability upgrades. So it's looking very good. The general tech upgrade, as I told you, for the back office is only halfway through. And now our back office manager has been sick with Corona, so seems to be going everywhere. And but we are actually ticking off boxes, catching up. So we're getting there. On the IBAN and card orders, we're still processing those, waiting for Barclays, which is our corresponding bank, to finish some of these issues. But as I told you guys, as a little apology from us and an extra bonus for the delay, you're going to get double your value that you paid for the packages in Likquid, and I'm waiting for that to be allocated to your wallets. So a nice little upside. Also last week we paid the May profits for Liquid Asset Management, and during this week we will launch what I talked about last week, which is the two selections where you can choose to stay in the Liquid Asset Management or actually transition into Empower. I am estimating that this will be live Friday this week latest. Also this Friday we are doing the first cash payout, profit payout and commissions for Empower this Friday. A lot of spelling mistakes in my line there, I see. So on Friday, as scheduled, the first profits will be paid out, and it is well on track. So that's a nice thing. Months or weeks. Also, finally, in the platform now, so all assets are now pegged with euros and US dollars, which means that they are actually trading in directly in currency. This is something we were struggling with, as I told you before, where we actually made the mistake of using the equity token thinking that this would simplify things, but it made pricing very complicated. Each asset has only one price now. It's euros, US dollars, could be anything else, could be Ethereum or could be Bitcoin as well. But right now, the stocks we have now and assets are euros and US dollars. So this means that now we can start bringing in institutions to trade much, much simpler. The way the currency is stored and used in the system is through stable coins, which are called EQ USD and EQ Euros. It's missing a letter here. And they're basically a stable coin. So if you have one coin, there's one, for instance, a €1 coin, and there's €1 sitting in the bank held for you. So very simple, cannot vary. It is the euro value. They will be available for transfer in and out of Pernum, as well as Dragon's, our own banking app. This will take a few days, maybe up to a couple of weeks before they are in there. But we're also waiting for the ability to transfer out assets coming shortly. Now the beauty of this is that this gives us the time to get the institutional trading going. And as of tomorrow, we're going to start publishing daily price reports on the stocks. So I think that you guys are going to enjoy that. There we go. This week we're going to have a very intensive week in terms of updates, and this is because we have a lot to tell you guys, and I feel that we want to split this up to actually get the message through. In addition to that, we are now doing our webinars in both German and French as well, in addition to English. So tomorrow night at 8 o'clock, same time, this update is going to be done in German and in French, two separate webinars. Thursday at 2 o'clock, I'm going to do a webinar that explains the self-staking only, to focus on that, because we're presenting a very extensive set of material on this. So that deserves its own explanation. On Friday at 3 o'clock, and the reason being we have the other sales webinar too, we're going to do the self-staking part in German and French. And then Friday at 2 o'clock, we do the usual Empower sales team talk. This time we're going to do a very deep Q&A because obviously we now have the self-staking and the first profits out, so it's an important day. The same webinar is then going to be sent in German and French on Saturday at 2 o'clock. So as you can see, guys, we're really carpeting this. A lot of information coming out, which I think that you're going to find useful. I hope so. So these times and the registration links will be published on WhatsApp as well, and inside Likquid on the Likquid campaign page. So you will have space to sign this up. This will be done in the next few minutes even, or an hour. Again, on that topic, we have improved our communication. Zendesk is working great. You can reach that from liquid.com/empower. We also have all the sales material now that we have improved now in English, French, and German, including new files. And our country managers are doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much, helping us with doing German and French versions as well. We have the social media a little bit on the back burner right now, just to get the thing warmed up with webinars, but I would expect maybe in the next week or so we start doing also local languages on social media. The Empower campaign, as I said, it's going well. Now we're entering the next phase. We can really push because now we have sales material and presentations live, including the self-staking, how this works. So go to liquid.com/empower. You will find all the material collected in one place, including the June special terms. And we obviously start calculating the special bonuses now for May as well for you guys. As you can see, we're very fast in booking Empower now. We will by Friday, I hope, be able to have the packages also live in the system. And as we have that, we are going to start with some competitions for self-staking, like I was talking about before. You can do cool stuff like who is the first to list some Apple stock, who's the first to bring in the biggest market cap company in their country. But first we need to walk before we can run. So we're going to do it very, very stable. But it is all coming together very nicely this week, and this is why it's so important that we do all these webinars, to put in all the details and everybody understands. So by Friday we should be very, very complete. That's all from me tonight. Thanks for listening. Next webinar on Likquid official webinar is 1 week from now, same time, same place, as you guys know. But do make sure to sign up for the other webinars as well. Very important, better understanding. I think you're going to find it very rewarding. So thanks everybody for listening. Enjoy the rest of your evening or morning, depending on where in the world you are. And do listen to the rest of the webinars. See you shortly.
So guys, some more new developments, and also on the World Equity Expo, we already can see the different tokens, and also they have already established the like their stablecoin, the QUSD and the Q euros. So most likely in the next week or two, we will have all those things sorted out, and I believe that in that time frame we will have the ability to be able to send our funds and our tokens to the exchange, and from there whatever we want to do with our tokens and our funds, and more easily be able also to, obviously, what everyone wants, to withdraw their funds from our Pernom multi-wallets and to their other their bank accounts, or eventually when people start getting the cards. Okay, so I hope that this thing starts getting more smoothly with time, and let's see how things progress. Guys, down below, don't forget to smash that like button, click the bell, turn on notifications so that you can get all of my videos. And as always, it's a pleasure being here with you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you very, very soon.